everyone and welcome to my channel Aparna Karn. It's me Aparna और आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्लैश मेकअप स्लैश स्किन केयर स्लैश हेयर केयर और मैं आज आपको अपनी वैनिटी और अपना वर्किंग स्पेस भी दिखाऊंगी. सो विदाउट मच मोर ब्लैबरिंग लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड माइंड इट ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग हो सकता है. सो ग्रैब योर स्नैक्स और ड्रिंक एंड एंजॉय. So this is the thing which I need to organize. So yeah. So now let's move on to my working space. So this is what my working space looks like. It's not that fancy, let me tell you. So let me quickly just go with this. So this table I got from a second-hand shop because after a few months I will be moving out. So I will be not using this table after that. So मैंने सोचा एक ही बार अच्छे में इन्वेस्ट मैं बाद में करूँगी. Now let's go with the second hand one. So वहाँ पे कुछ बिंदी है रैंडम से जो मैं अपने YouTube के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ और मैक्सिमम गैस में सारे मेरी मॉम के हैं. Then this is my YouTube videos planning diary, my cell phone, my स्कूटी का चाबी और मेरा चश्मा पता नहीं यहाँ क्या कर रहा है but okay, never mind. So this table has 3 compartments only on one side, 1 2 3, and they are super dirty. जैसे मेरे NYX के आई शेडो ग्लिटर पूरे गिर गए हैं, so I really need to clean this. So this is having 3 compartments. So yeah, और ये मेरे टेबल के ठीक सामने में आप 2 मैसिव विंडोज देख सकते हैं और यही एक जरिया है मेरे YouTube के लाइटिंग का. मैं कोई प्रोफेशनल लाइटिंग यूज नहीं करती. So it's like a struggling day setup. But never mind, I really enjoy it. I really do. So ये मेरा टेबल है. No, not table. It's कुर्सी. Come on, Aparna, क्या हो गया तुम्हें? So it's like my comfortable, cute chair. Now let's move on to the organizing part. So that is this. Let's hope. And that's my living area. My mom will kill me. I need to clean this space very quickly. I have divided this huge massive in categories like ये थोड़े बहुत skin care नहीं body care है. This is all are my hair care stuff like my spa gel, then you know all the hair oils, and there is only one hairspray, my serum, my Pantene, and yeah, I'm having very से भी ज़्यादा a lot of amount of hair oils. So this is my skincare stuff like my scrub, my mask, my Body Shop mask. This is the one which I totally love it. This is the Tea Tree Anti-Perfection Mask. I use it as a sheet mask and then all are there. And that huge is of my makeup. So इतना करने के बाद भी मैं सिर्फ यहीं तक पहुंची हूँ. So yeah, now let's clean the drawer. I am halfway done, like I almost clean everything and now it's what it's look like. So मैंने यहाँ पे अपने hair care products रखे हैं maximum, बस एक wet wipes अलग और एक cotton अलग है, बाकी सब है यहाँ पे hair care. Now this is what my makeup looks like. I know इसे भी थोड़ा और organize करना है but for now this is what we going with. And the last drawer is having my skincare and my body care. So yeah, and this is what the condition of the tables look like. इसमें basically मेरे jewelry सब हैं, like इसमें कुछ earrings हैं and इसमें I'm having my nail paints and इसमें जो है वो मेरी चूड़ी है और है मेरे पास but that's in a cupboard which I generally don't get used to it that much. So this is what the conditions look like till now. So finally everything is organized and clean. This looks so beautiful. Like my counter is clean, my drawers are clean और मैंने ऊपर में सिर्फ अपनी डायरी, मोबाइल, स्पेक्स, पेन और अपनी स्कूटी की चाबी रखी है. That's it. So yeah, finally I am done with my whole cleaning part. It was like a hell. It almost taken me like 1 hour to do this and I'm freaking tired. But finally we are done and my mom will be super happy after seeing this. So yeah, till then See you in my next video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button just behind it. And subscribing is absolutely free. Many people ask me and they say that it's just got anything or anything. No, subscribe करना बिल्कुल 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 free है. There is no cost for it. So see ya.